storage bag, menu, pen line, temperature line, multimeter. Open the back cover and load 2 AA batteries. Switch AC voltage, measured using AC voltage regulator. The pen is crossed, the value is cleared. Hertz% button can be directly switched when the AC voltage gear, DC voltage measure. The pen can contact the positive and negative electrodes of the battery. DC MV voltage measurement. The pen is inserted into the positive and negative. Temperature measurement. Resistance measure. The test LEDs can be measured by touching both ends of the resistance. Buzzer measurement, which measures the continuity of the line, will be did. Diode measurement. The positive and negative poles of the test LEDs need to be aligned. Capacitance measurement. Discharge before measurement, and the watch pen can be measured by touching both ends of the capacitor. DC current measurement. The pen needs to be inserted into the 2.0 jack during measure. Switch AC current units to measure current in bulb operation. DC mar current measurement. Measure the current of the light strip when it is working. AC mar current measurement. Measuring the current of the light bulb when it is working. DC UA current measurement. Measuring the current of the lamp when it is working. NCV non-contact induction. Close to the power signal light becomes full. When the 0 live wire is measured, the live wire beeps, but the 0 wire does not beep.